Hi everyone, my name is Gui Suwan and today I will presenting my analytics lab project. Let's begin with a quick overview of the project flow. There are total 10 sections in my presentation today. Now we move on to abstract. This project focuses on building a real-time Bitcoin trading board specially designed for Malaysian retail investors. The system uses technical indicators along with machine learning model to generate trading signal. We integrated real-time market data with Luno API and deployed the board using Python and Streamlit with Telegram alert for live monitoring. In backtesting, the SG push model with added risk control produced the best Sharpe ratio and lower drawdowns, showing strong performance under risk-adjusted conditions. Future improvement could include adaptive threshold, model retraining, and integration with global exchange like Bitness. In this study, we focus on key challenges faced by Malaysian retail Bitcoin traders. The crypto market is highly volatile, yet many traders either rely on passive buy and hold strategies, which expose them to lose during downturns, or use rigid indicators like RSI or MACD that fail to adapt choppy market. On top of that, emotional decisions like panic selling or revenge trading often lead to poor timing and inconsistent performance. Meta trading also introduces delays, causing missed opportunities at critical entry or exit point. To address this issue, we propose developing a real-time Bitcoin trading board using Python. The board will combine technical indicators with machine learning to automate decisions, reduce emotional bias, and to react to the market more efficiently. Our goal is to bridge the gaps between manual trading and institutional system, making smart, consistent algorithm trading accessible to local retail investors. In Chapter 2 Literature Review, we study key components of Bitcoin trading board design. First, study shows that automated trading reduces emotional bias and improves reaction speed. Second, we explore common technical indicators like RSI, MACD, SMA, and EMA. These are well-established tools in trading boards for identifying trends and reversal. Third, effective backtesting is critical. Research emphasizes that boards must be validated on historical data to ensure reliability and avoid overfitting. Next, risk management. Features like stop loss, take profit, and dynamic position sizing are essential for protecting capital and reducing drawdowns. Finally, we review real-time data processing using Luno environment-based API, Streamlit, and Telegram. Trading boards can execute trades instantly and send alerts. However, most existing studies lack real-time integration, real retail-level scalability, and Malaysian-specific deployment. These studies addresses those gaps with localized machine learning-enhanced trading solutions. In Chapter 3, we look at the Bitcoin data used to train our model and make real-time predictions. We use two main data sources, which is historical Bitcoin price from Kaggle and live market data from Luno API. When we analyze the data, we saw that Bitcoin price changed a lot and are higher than average. This shows it is a very volatile market. At the top right, there is a chart showing Bitcoin's price over time, including big price jumps in 2017 and 2021, followed by a big drops. This helps our board learn from different market cycles. Below that, the real correlation heat map shows price indicators are highly interrelated, while volume behave independently. This guided our decision to trade volume separately during feature scaling. Overall, these steps help us understand the data, clean it properly, and prepare the right features so that we could build better model in the next chapter. In Chapter 4, we focus on preparing our Bitcoin dataset for machine learning models. This process begins with data cleaning. We remove duplicates, filter out zero volume rows. As shown in the bar chart, these steps reduce the dataset by over 1.3 million rows, ensuring only valid market activities was retained. Next, we apply feature engineering, introducing indicators. This helps capture market trends and momentum. You can see in the line chart how RSI and MACD indicators fluctuate with market trends. These provide critical signals used to generate trading strategies. To prepare features for model training, we use min-max scaling for neural networks and standard scaling for tree-based models like XGBoost, this ensuring fair learning across features. We then divided the data into time-based segments and used 80% for training and 20% for testing, while keeping the original time order to make sure our predictions stay realistic. Lastly, to support our real-time usage, we optimized Luno API calls using caching and delay intervals. These pre-processing efforts ensure our dataset was clean, scaled, and full of predictive signals. In Chapter 5, we designed and tested both rule-based and machine learning strategies for our Bitcoin trading board. We began with technical indicators like RSI and MACD to define buy, sell, and hold signals. These rules were simulated in Python and backtested on historical data. To manage trading risk, we included stop loss, take profit, and fixed capital allocation. Next, we train for classifications model, random forest, XGBoost, ANN, and LSTM. The chart here shows F1 score for each class across all models. Ultimately, we select XGBoost and ANN as our champion model for financial backtesting in the next chapter. In this chapter, we assess 4 strategies: XGBoost, ANN, rule-based, and buy and hold, using a backtesting framework. We evaluate each based on return, Sharpe ratio, drawdowns, and win rate. As shown in the equity curve on the right, buy and hold delivered the highest return but came with extreme volatility. In contrast, the XGBoost strategy provided a smoother capital growth with the highest Sharpe ratio of 1.41, indicating better risk-adjusted performance. The AAN model performed comparably, although fewer trades. Meanwhile, the rule-based strategy shows flat return, struggling to adapt to dynamic market conditions. This result highlights the value of using machine learning model with risk control for more consistent and sustainable performance. After completing model backtesting, we transition to real-time deployment. The bot fetches Bitcoin MYR data every 10 seconds from the Luno API and feeds into our trained XGBoost model to generate buy, hold, or sell signals. Trades are only executed when model's confidence exceeds 0.5, along with safety measures like 30% stop loss and 20% trailing stop. This system is powered by Python using Striplead and Essential, enabling concurrent execution and responsive monitoring. The result is stable and production-ready trading bot that adapts in near real time to dynamic market conditions. To monitor our trading board, we developed a 3-tier Streamlit dashboard system. First, the live feed dashboard pulls Bitcoin MYR data from the Luno API every 10 seconds. Second, the real-time execution dashboard shows equity movement and trade logs in sign with our XGBoost model's predictions. Third, the historical dashboard visualizes cumulative equity, win rate, and return merits to assess long-term performance. We also integrate in Telegram alerts for instant trade notification, keeping users informed even when the dashboard is closed. This setup provides full transparency, mobile supervision, and ensure we can evaluate the bot behavior in real-world conditions at any time. In this final chapter, we reflect on a successful journey building a real-time Bitcoin trading bot tailored for Malaysian retail investors. The SG Bush-based strategy paired with trading stop loss and confidence filter deliver the strongest Sharpe ratio in testing while preserving capital. The system was fully implemented using Python, Streamlit, and the Luno API. Key contributions include a risk-aware design, modular architecture, and practical deployment tailored to local traders. Yet, the project also revealed limitations like the lack of retraining, simplified assumptions, and single asset focus. Looking ahead, we recommend integrating retraining cycles, ensemble model, sentiment analysis, and expansion to multi-asset trading on platforms like Bitnest. Overall, this work proved that real-time intelligent trading system can be built by individuals with open source tools, bridging the gap between academic ideas and live financial automations. Thank you for your time to listen to my presentation. I hope this work can contribute meaningful to future research and inspires others to explore practical fintech solutions. Thank you. Bye bye.